Namaskar, this is Dell Vostro 14 motherboard replacement. The original motherboard was beyond repair, cannot be used. So the new motherboard, I am replacing it with a new motherboard. I have tested the display of this motherboard because actually there is absolutely no warranty on new motherboards. They are saying no display, no warranty. So I have tested the display. Replacing it with a fresh paste. Always replace the paste whenever you are opening, because micro air bubbles are there. They may create an air pocket which may overheat certain part of a CPU and may damage it. It is always better to use new paste every time you open it. I am using this MX4 from Arctic best paste for normal use. Many variations of the paste exist. Some are for the ultra gaming. Those pastes are very costly and should be used for the intended application only. Just inserting a multimeter so that you can see CMOS battery I am testing. Surprisingly, the CMOS battery is dead on a new motherboard. Yes, this battery is dead. I don't know why they are doing this. They can supply the board without battery. Anybody who is purchasing will replace with a new battery. But supplying a board with a dead battery is not a good thing. Yes, it is 3.2 volt. I am noting the service tag of this motherboard. Whenever it boots first time, I can put the service tag, insert it in the BIOS. D9KLYN2. So the same motherboard is represented. Carefully place the board. Make sure it is not shorting anywhere and perfectly located on its place. There are tabs which protrude from the holes. Display cable. Charging socket. This is on off switch ribbon. There are channels through which you can route the wires. Always use them. This motherboard is held by only one screw. Other back cover screws are going through the motherboard. So finally it is held with all the screws. RAM. This is fan. Wi-Fi card. Now I am connecting the SSD. USB and sound section. These are the speakers, and this is the touchpad. Now I am fixing the fan. Fan has two screws, M2 by 5. I think I will use the USB keyboard so that I can show you what I am doing. I have connected the charger and it's powered on. It will restart 3 times, then it will give the display. Yes. See, now it is saying manufacturing. Yes. Now this is a LAN ID. And now I have to put service tag here in this column. D9 KL YN2. Asset tag is optional, so I am skipping that. Okay. It has taken the service tag. I will now apply the changes. Okay. Now again I will go to the BIOS settings and yes, it is taking it. Inspiron 14. It is not taking in the Vostro name. So I will take whatever it is offering. Yes, I wish to proceed. Yes. No boot device found. Press any key to reboot the machine. While it is rebooting, I am entering the BIOS. Yes. Now I have entered the BIOS. See the system information. This is Core i3 6th generation. I hope you can read it. Core i3 6th generation, 4 GB of RAM, SSD is detected, 14-inch screen is detected. Service tag which I have entered is here. Okay. Now I will go to the boot sequence and I will select the UEFI. See, it has automatically taken the SSD. Now I will go to the date and time. As the CMOS cell was dead, so date and time has to be entered. This is month is May, so 05, date is 30, and the year is 26. Time is 1:58, 01:58 p.m. Now I am going to apply the changes. Okay, and exit. Now it will boot to the Windows. Yes, as you can see, it is booting in the Windows. See, the Windows is properly working. The new motherboard is okay. It will take the drivers again. Wi-Fi card is also detected. Sound is also detected. Yes, working. A display driver it has taken. So I can actually change the brightness. If the display driver is not detected, you won't get the brightness control on the screen. Opera browser has a tendency to go into the startup. I will remove that. Okay. Now the page is also doing same thing. Device manager. Yes. Display it has taken Intel HD graphics. Other drivers it is installing by itself. Here. Processor is i3 6th generation. Now I will shut it down, reboot it, and after completely fitting it, and then I will connect it to the internet so that it will update itself. This is the caddy. Old hard disk is placed here. DVD writer is as it is obsolete. No one is using it now. So that port is used to put the extra storage. Battery also I want to check. These are the screws that are fitting under the keyboard. Always remember, these old model laptops have screws under the keyboard. So gently remove the keyboard either by either by the locks or by the screws. Find out which are the keyboard screws. Keyboard screws are marked with a picture of a keyboard. So if you remove only those screws, keyboard will be released. There are only 3 screws here. On a 15.6-inch model, there are 5 screws. Connecting the keyboard, attaching the charger and powering it on. Just pushing the keyboard locks. Yes, the SSD is also detected. It is of a 240 GB version. So 222 GB of formatted size is available, and hard disk is 1 TB disk, which is divided into two partitions. Customer's data is there on both partitions. Now to remove the unnecessary programs which are in the startup, right click on the taskbar and go to the task manager. Now there is a speedometer like icon. It is fifth on the left side. Just click it. It will show you the startup programs. Now this browser assistant is enabled. I will just right click it and disable it. I am not removing the program. I am just stopping it at the startup. See, mobile devices, they are enabled. I don't know what they are. I will disable it. Edge is also enabled in the startup. I am going to disable it. OneDrive I am going to disable. Opera I am going to disable. Security notifications should be enabled. Xbox is already disabled. So the unwanted programs which are rarely run, you can always start them from the programs menu or from the icon on the desktop. You don't need them in the startup. Some programs are very aggressive. Now the Windows is clean, it has started, and there are no startup programs, so it is already started. Now I will see the battery. Yes, it is at the 27%. Let's see if it is charging or not. I want to check the activation status. Yes, it is active. Okay. Yes, now it is 28%. The battery is charging properly. Thank you for the watching. Have a nice day.